Hi, my name is Rick Bantelman. I'm a customer success engineer with Syncplicity. I'm going to spend a short while giving you an overview of how the Syncplicity Documentum connector works. Users have 3 to 7 devices and need access to all their content regardless of when and where they need it. Not just what's on my desktop, but all other sources of content in the enterprise as well. They also work with teams inside and outside the organization and need to easily share content. At the same time, they need to make sure they satisfy the needs of IT to protect corporate data and ensure compliance with company and industry policies. This is the publishing scenario where documents are published to the devices from Documentum. On the left, we have the Documentum repository, which is the storage vault for all enterprise content. In the middle, we've got the Syncplicity layer used to publish content to users on any device on the right. These users can be internal, within the firewall, or external to the organization. The Syncplicity Documentum connector automatically handles both the publishing and the revising of content. Now we're looking at the revise and review scenario, where documents have been read and possibly edited and sent back to the repository via Syncplicity. If routing and approval is necessary before checking back into Documentum, a workflow can be invoked to do such processing. Now we'll talk about revise and review capabilities. Sync and Review supports outbound and inbound documents. It gives the ability to modify attributes prior to importing back into Documentum, and you can do pre and post processing prior to publishing or ingesting revised documents into the repository. Inbound filters, where versions, renditions, cloning, or overwriting can be applied. Outbound filters, sharing of documents by type and filter, and automatic applications of profiles for inbound and outbound filters. Next, we'll talk about publishing capabilities. Multiple folders can be shared via the connector, each using different profiles. Publishing can be based on attribute values such as status or other attributes. And it also allows individuals or groups as recipients. Installation, logging, and management. Functionality includes streamlined login process, audit logging, court scheduling, and of course RESTful service, minimizing BPM complexity, polling intervals, and less workflow overhead. Installation is easy with the deployment of a single WAR file. Here we see a typical Syncplicity Documentum architecture diagram. Components are from the bottom up. The Documentum repository, Syncplicity connector agent used to create inbound and outbound profiles, the connector engine which connects Syncplicity to Documentum, SQL or Derby database to store the profiles and folders to be shared, D2, EMC's configurable workflow to orchestrate steps from documents leaving the repository to revised documents being put back in. This concludes the brief overview for the Syncplicity Documentum connector. I hope you found it useful, and stay tuned to more recordings that will give you a deeper dive if interested. Thank you.